What's going on YouTube? Marcelino with 3 Model Spa here. I'm gonna do a unboxing. Alright guys, like I said, this will be a unboxing of double 5-gallon bucket dolly with caster wheels on it. It's made by Workshop Solution. Found it on Amazon. I'm not sponsored by them, but stay tuned. I believe it's just under $100. Not bad. They have other ones with a little seat on it. This is a Tradesman Pro Series Workshop Solution. Not bad. I mean, I think it's usable for when you buff a car or I don't know. Anyways, so these are the caster wheels. They're nice and heavy duty. I am not sponsored by any product that I show on this video. It's there. Nice. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let's go ahead and take these out and put the caster wheels on. This is my all-in-one. I take this with me to the car that I'm detailing, cleaning out. It has all my brushes, detailing brushes, vacuum heads. Gotta have this. Hair pet removal. Life is better with the drill. I think we're spoiled now since back then it was all hand. Wax on, wax off. Let's go ahead and take this out the way. Flip this around. So these caster wheels, I think they gotta be screwed in. They give you 6 of them, I believe. Alright, so they come with screws also. Hand heads. Pointers. Alright, let me get the, actually have the drill here. All I need is a Phillips screw head. Put this to the side. Take this drill. I was just doing a full detail carpets and seats shampooed on a 4Runner. I believe it was 2016. Also, it was a Kia Soul. This weekend was the 23rd on Sunday. Today's the 24th, Monday. It was a full day worth of work for 2 vehicles. They weren't all that dirty, but giving you detail, leave them almost like new. Let's go ahead and open up this bag with the screws. Pour some out here. Just put them all out. I'm ready to go. Okay, so now they do include one locking caster wheel. I did read that and I did see that on the description. But all you really need is one wheel to be locked. It might swing, but it's all right when you lock it and it swing. But you can always replace one with another lock at your nearest hardware store. Just go ahead and drill this one in. I left a little bit loose just so I can center it. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward all of this. Now that we got this all screws in, each caster wheel has 4 screws. Also, what I love about it, it's super light. Super light. Let's go ahead and clean all this trash out. There'll also be like another additional 5 screws in case if you lose them and drop them. Let me go ahead and put these buckets in here, see how it sits in here. Nice. And that's your 2-bucket dolly. All right, guys. Well, thanks for staying tuned and watching me build this dual dolly for the buckets. All right, guys. Hope you guys like this. Hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos, and I will actually be doing a walk around inside out of my mobile detailing. I'm pretty much all done and wrapped up and ready. I have been also doing some work lately. It's been getting busy and interesting. All right, guys, like I said, stay tuned for the rest of the videos.